What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the BLZ Bluzelle token on Coinbase. For the first step you will need a Coinbase account. If you don't have one yet, you can simply sign up through the link in the description and you will get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. Once you have done that, you can log into your account and you will arrive at this homepage. And for the next step, we need to go to the search bar right on top. Click on it and type in BLZ. And as you can see, the coin is over here. We are selecting that. And now you are arriving at the coin page, like the token page. Here you can see the chart of the coin. And on the right side, we have an option to buy, sell and convert. For now, we will select the buy option. And we need to fill in the amount of euros or dollars we would like to spend on this purchase. Let's say 1000 euros for an example. And as you can see, these are the amount of coins we are receiving for this amount of money. For the next step, you can select your payment method down below here. And for now, I will leave it on my credit card. But if you select this, you can select your preferred payment method and go back to the overview by clicking on this arrow. If you don't see your preferred payment method over here, you can add a new payment method by clicking on this button and simply following the steps. For now, we head back to the overview and now we review our order. So click on it and here you can see we are paying a transaction fee on this order. What is a transaction fee? Basically, every order you place, you are paying a certain amount of fee to Coinbase to make the purchase or trade you are doing. Like if you don't want to pay this amount of fees, because it's a lot of money, if you do this on a daily basis, then you can use the Coinbase One subscription. And the Coinbase One subscription, you can try that out for free for 7 days. Definitely do that. And as you can see, we are already saving 38 euros of fees on this trade. If you do this on a daily basis, you can save yourself a lot of money. So definitely check this out. And I believe the amount of this subscription a month is costs like 25 euros. So with only one trade, you're already making profit on this and you save yourself over 13 euros. So that's a good one. Check that out. After you have decided to buy this coin, just click on buy now and the coins will be automatically added to my assets here on the left side. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.